Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they managed to close down on Friday, this time pressured by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, pharmaceuticals and biotechnology and life sciences sectors, as well as the automobile and automotive component sectors. Now, on the economic docket, market U.S. manufacturing PMI, that rose to 51.3 in July's preliminary read from 49.8, and new home sales figures jumped to 776,000 in June, a high last reached in 2007. This all as 77% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged on Friday. Now, after the markets closed, U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin revealed in a Fox News interview that the coronavirus Phase 4 stimulus bill will be introduced on Monday. Meanwhile, Amazon.com's price target was raised to $3,600 from $2,800 at Telsey and to $3,600 from $3,000 over at Wells Fargo. Moving on, Apple's price target raised to $425 from $365 over at JP Morgan, while at the same time Moderna, the biotech company, announced that the Phase 3 study of its mRNA vaccine candidate, mRNA-1273, against COVID-19 has begun. The company expects to enroll 30,000 participants in the United States. Meanwhile, in terms of expectations today, there's no major earnings expected, so we go straight to the economic docket. On the economic docket this Monday morning, before the opening bell, 8:30 in the morning, we have the key durable goods orders. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin intraday. That sees its key resistance 32.24, and that's in focus. As long as the resistance at 32.24 is not surpassed, the risk of a break below 31.9150 remains high. Short positions below 32.24 are favored, with targets at 31.9150 and 31.66 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq sees its key resistance at 10,600, while the Dow Jones, that's under pressure.